How long does it take to get a HELOC? A home equity line of credit, HELOC, can be a financial lifeline, offering a flexible way to access the equity in your home. But how long does it typically take to secure one? While the answer can vary based on several factors, understanding the process and potential timelines can help you plan accordingly. A surprising fact about HELOCs is that they can be obtained relatively quickly compared to other types of loans. In many cases, the entire process can be completed within a few weeks. However, it's important to note that this time frame can fluctuate depending on individual circumstances and the lender's policies. One of the most significant factors influencing the speed of a HELOC approval is the time it takes to gather and submit the required documentation. Lenders typically require various documents to verify your financial situation, including proof of income, credit reports, and property tax statements. The more quickly you can provide this information, the faster the application process will move forward. Another crucial factor is the lender's underwriting process. Underwriters assess your financial profile and determine whether you meet the eligibility criteria for a HELOC. This process can take some time, especially if there are any complexities or inconsistencies in your financial history. In addition to the lender's underwriting, the appraisal of your home can also contribute to the overall timeline. An appraisal is necessary to determine the value of your property, which is used to calculate the amount of equity available for borrowing. If there are any delays in scheduling or completing the appraisal, it can extend the HELOC process. While the average time frame for obtaining a HELOC is typically between 2 and 6 weeks, it's possible to expedite the process in certain situations. For example, if you have a strong credit history, a low debt-to-income ratio, and all the necessary documentation ready, lenders may be able to process your application more quickly. It's also worth noting that online lenders often have more streamlined processes and may be able to provide faster approvals than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. However, it's essential to compare rates, terms, and fees from different lenders to find the best option for your specific needs. Source icon. In conclusion, the time it takes to get a HELOC can vary depending on several factors, including the borrower's financial situation, the lender's underwriting process, and the appraisal timeline. While it's possible to obtain a HELOC relatively quickly, it's important to be prepared to provide the necessary documentation and allow for potential delays. By understanding the process and planning accordingly, you can increase your chances of securing a HELOC in a timely manner.